It's
Hi.
here's Zahir Iqbal, and today is my first driving lesson at Malik Driving School, and he's my instructor, Mr. Sohaib Malik. And I hear about a lot of things that he's a very nice guy. He teaches lots of people to how to drive. Today is my first day, and he's gonna tell me about how to drive on a road. I hear lots of things about him that some people say that he's very strict, but honestly, when I used to drive with him, I try to take my classes from here, and I feel that he's very calm guy, he's very relaxed guy, and he teach each and everything in the easiest way. When the people who don't know how to drive, he help very deeply, and he teach several lessons. First of all, he tell me about we have 3 pedals. He tried to make myself easy. He says you can recall them: A, B, C. Accelerator, A for accelerator, B for brake, and C for clutch. This is my steering wheel. It's my handbrake, and it's a gear lever. He just tell me about these things, and I don't know how to drive, but this man, and we have some few more experience on my back, and they also came here for learning driving skills, and I feel very happy, feel very proud to be a part with the Malik Driving School, and I feel very happy, feel very blessed. Thank you so much.
Okay. Now look down.
All right.
You have 3 pedal. Okay.
Yeah, we have
Or
3
you-
pedals.
Yes.
On my right, it's a accelerator. Next, you tell me about it's a brake, and third one you told me about it's a clutch. Accelerator.
It's called accelerator.
Yeah. There we go. Can I test?
And yes. Slowly.
All right.
Okay. You hearing or noise?
Yeah. I hear him voice. It sounds
Okay,
well.
okay.
All right. I just
Now-
just a little bit pressed, but I can see the power of your engine. Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
Second pedal is brake.
It's called brake. Okay.
All right.
And third one,
Third one is clutch.
it's called
clutch.
clutch.
Yeah. Please go.
Yes.
Alright.
Clutch have 3 work. Okay.
Alright.
First one, when you shift gear. Okay.
All right.
And second, when you stop your car, you press clutch first. Okay.
Mhm.
And third one, when you brake car, you use clutch. Okay.
All right. That's fine. Mr.
Okay.
Malik.
Okay. Thanks, brother.
Thank you so much. I hope for the best. It was a wonderful day for me because the weather is so hot. I'm not used to here because I'm belong for UK, not here, and it's my first time to learn a lesson in Pakistan, and I feel very happy. Thank you so much.
Okay, brother.
Take
Allah
care.
Hafiz.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Hi.
Hi.
I'm
Yes.
Zahir again. Today is my second day of class. Today I learned how to drive again. First he gave me the demo, and now he gave me full training and full authority to drive. Now I'm driving at the second gear, and I feel a bit shy. I will hesitate because people of Pakistan here, they don't follow the exact rules. Which I see in UK, not here, because the several bikes are comes from opposite direction. That's why I feel bit rosy, bit scary, and they have too many jumps. Here come one more.
Speed breakers are coming. Yes.
Yeah, now we go again to drive past one more speed breaker. I'm driving at 20, 30. Yeah, now I'm going to 30. Here we go. I have a sharp bend, but I'll try to cross this sharp bend as slowly as can. I do, and also follow the biker and one more car. Okay, now it's a bend. All right, here we go again. Today is my second day, and I feel very happy and comfortable because it's all about Mr. Malik. He's the instructor. Again, one more jump. Slightly push the brake, then go. All right. The people of Pakistan, they don't know how to walk on the road. They have to walk side of the road, but they love to walk middle of the road. It's the beauty of Pakistan, and most horrible driving skills people have, and I try to learn.
Tell me your training. Today
Today is my second day.
Second
and
day.
Today is my second day.
Your feeling is better.
Yeah, I feel better. but the others driver, I follow my rules, I follow my instructions, but the others driver, I'm not sure that they are they are eligible to drive. One more jump we have.
Okay.
Brake. Yeah, now
Yes.
little bit race, and again it's a turning point. It's a massive turn. Yeah. Go. Go. Okay,
Yes.
now back to the positions again. It's a railway track. Next to me, the biker is going to cross me, and it's a heavy traffic again.
Look your left side, okay?
All right.
Today you are better.
Yeah, because it's the second day, but I will be fine when I'll finish this course. And I'll recommend you people that you're going to join Mr. Malik's driving school.
Press clutch first and brake little bit, okay?
Alright.
When you speed 20 plus, you
Mhm.
first brake, then clutch, okay?
Alright.
If your speed 10 less,
Mhm.
first you clutch press.
Okay, first I have to press
Yes,
clutch.
press clutch first and
Alright, now I think
and
the
then
traffic's
brake.
clear
Okay,
now.
now-
we are going to move. I'm in the first gear. Okay, I pressed the clutch.
Right, move
now
correct.
I removed a little bit. Here.
yes.
One.
Now stop here. First clutch and brake.
Right, yeah. Inside the car, I have to do the neutral. It's a neutral position.
Yes.
Alright.
And
Then I apply the parking brake like this.
now
Now
we'll
I can remove my pedal.
pedal.
Alright.
First you release your
brake.
clutch pedal and then brake. Okay?
Alright. Now it's going to stop.
Mr. Zahir,
Yeah.
today is your second day,
Yeah, today
okay?
is my second day, but I feel very happy to drive very smoothly, because no one can drive in these sort of circumstances, because the people don't know the proper rules of driving. Now they just try to reach first, just try to go first. They don't know, they don't want to see the other people, they just want their own way. And that's the way a huge hazards came to us
Yes.
during driving. Now, it's very difficult to drive in Pakistan, but if you have a good teacher to teach you properly, you can easily manage. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, brother. Allah
Thank you so
Hafiz.
much. Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.